This video illustrates how to convert files from Vector NTI format to SnapGene format. I'll start with a Vector NTI plasmid file. Here it is open in Vector NTI Express. Now I'll open the same file in SnapGene. SnapGene opens the file directly and recovers not only the DNA sequence, but also the features, including their colors. To simplify the display, I'll hide the enzyme sites. Imported primers are shown in purple. SnapGene also opens other types of Vector NTI files. For example, I'll open a Vector NTI Align X file in SnapGene. The alignment is displayed in SnapGene format. As a final example, I'll open a Vector NTI Contig Express file in SnapGene. SnapGene opens the Contig Express file as a collection of individual Contig sequences as shown on the left. Embedded in each Contig sequence are the aligned sequence traces as indicated by the red arrows. To look at the aligned traces in detail, I'll switch to Sequence View. The aligned traces are shown at the bottom. I can expand an individual trace by clicking the triangle next to its name. SnapGene can create similar alignments either by assembling contigs from scratch or by aligning sequence traces to an existing reference DNA sequence. For a full description of the options available, please see our online user guide at snapgene.com.